I want to talk about this mushroom coffee that my orca sent me to do a video on. I wasn't a big believer in mushroom coffee till recently. Now I'm a big believer in the benefits as well as the flavor. Now this is an instant coffee. You can see right here included. They also throw in a nice little spoon. Easy. I'm going to take that, empty it in, and you're going to add some hot water. I'm going to keep it easy. Use my K-cup machine to get some hot water. Now this blend of coffee has 6 adaptogenic mushrooms. It's got lion's mane, turkey tail, it's got MCT oil, and it's got coconut to support energy and focus. And that kind of makes it stand out about how easy it is. Not just you just mix hot water and go. It's an absolute piece of cake. No complicated prep, no weird taste. Just a smooth caffeine alternative. Fits right into your day. 2,000 milligrams of mushrooms blended per serving. Energy, focus, and immune health. Smooth taste with no crash. Quick and convenient. You get 30 servings out of this. And you can see the finished product here. Looks exactly like coffee. The flavor, I describe it as about 95% regular coffee with just a slight 5% earthy finish. And the way I like to do it, I do it the same way as I do with my coffee. I'll usually add a little bit of honey, and you can add some cream if you like. What I usually like to do, add a little bit of coconut oil, a little bit of MCT, just kind of accentuates the health benefits that you get out of this stuff. If you'd like to pick some up for yourself, click on the link in the description below.